when tension T is applied to a sonometer wire of length L, it vibrates with fundamental frequency N. Now, keeping the same setup, when tension is increased by 8 Newton, new tension T is equal to original tension plus 8 Newton is added, original tension plus 8 Newton tension is added. The fundamental frequency becomes, suppose new fundamental frequency is L dash, that fundamental frequency becomes 3 times the earlier, means 3 times the original frequency, fundamental frequency N. Then the initial tension applied to the wire, means we want to find out the initial tension T. Now we know the fundamental frequency of sonometer, fundamental frequency of sonometer N is equal to, what is the formula for fundamental frequency of sonometer? N is equal to 1 upon 2L under root of T divided by M, where T is the tension in the wire, T represent what? Tension in the wire, and small m it represent mass per unit length of wire, that is also known as linear density of the wire, that is also known as what? Linear density of the wire. Now, the initial fundamental frequency N is equal to 1 upon 2L under root of T by M. Later on, when tension is increased by 8 Newton, new frequency N dash, which is 3 times the original frequency, is equal to 1 upon original frequency 3 times the original frequency. So, N dash equal to 3N equal to 1 upon 2L under root of T dash divided by M, T dash divided by M. So, 3N is equal to 1 upon 2L under root of, what is the value of T dash? Because T dash new tension is original tension plus 8 Newton. So, T plus 8 divided by M. Now, from this 3N is equal to this much. So, take this 3 in the denominator. So, it is equal to 1 upon 6L under root of T plus 8 divided by M, T plus 8 divided by M from equation 1 and 2. See here, equation 1 and equation 2. Their LHS will give us what? Fundamental frequency. So, equate the right hand side. So, we have 1 upon 2L under root of T divided by M is equal to 1 upon 6L under root of T plus 8 divided by M. So, here 2L 1s are 2L 3s are, and taking square on both sides. So, T by M is equal to 1 by square of 3 is 9 into T plus 8 divided by M, T plus 8 divided by M. So, M on two side get cancelled, cross multiply it. So, 9T is equal to T plus 8, or take this T to this side. So, 8T is equal to 8T is equal to what? 8. Therefore, T is equal to 1 Newton, T is equal to what? 1 Newton. So, tension, original tension T is equal to 1 Newton. So, out of 4 options, look at option D, 1 Newton. So, D is the correct option for this question.